Hi guys, my name is Ola. I'm helping you to build online business and grow online through the power of YouTube. And today I'm going to show you how to make stunning, amazing, nice, clean logo with free website called Photopea. This is going to be very quick, very easy, very simple logo. And if you want something more advanced, you can do it as well with this amazing website, which is completely free. So to start, go to photopea.com. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Click on File, New. Let's name our project logo, and the width I like to make 800 on 800. I like to make two options, transparent and white background. Right now we'll start with the transparent and then click Create. And this is our canvas. Most logos of famous and big companies created with a little icon on the side of a text. So this is exactly what we're going to do today. Let's start with the text. Go to the letter T, click on it, then click on the canvas and type. So I'm gonna name my company Luxury Life. Click on this icon and then you can move it. Let's make it in the middle. You see this little red line? It tells you exactly where is the middle. Then double click on this and we can resize it here, make it bigger. Then make it again in the middle. Then let's put it a little bit on the right side because we're gonna insert our icon on the left side. You can double click on it and you can change the color, you can change the size, you can change the font, and everything is here. Now let's find our icon. For this we can use a free website called Icon Finder, which also will be linked in the description of this video. So go to iconfinder.com and type in the search box whatever icon you have in mind. And for luxury, usually you use crown, or people like to use diamond. So let's type diamond. And here we choose free. And now we can choose any diamond we like. And I would suggest don't go with too many colors. Let's keep it clean. So this diamond looks pretty nice. Click on that and then download it as PNG. Go back to Photopea and drag your download to your canvas. When you hover over these corners, you see this little arrow appears. This is gonna resize your icon, but you see how it's moving? Not even. If you hold Shift and then you move it, it will keep the proportions. So let's resize it and recenter it with the power of our little red line. Hope you can see it. And you can move it as you like. And if you want to choose the text again, you can click on the layer of the text and move the text. And just play with the layers here. This is the background layer, text layer, and icon layer. Double click on the layer, then double click again, and it will open layer style. And here you can make a little contour or texture, or drop a stroke, or drop a shadow. Click OK and see you have a shadow, and it's actually pretty nice. To go back, just click here on the project. So now the only thing left is to crop this around. We don't need all this space around, so let's just crop it. Click on this icon and drag the rectangle around, resize it. I like to leave a little space around, then hit Enter and it's resized. And you have many other options, but this is a pretty basic, nice logo. I like it. I like to keep them clean. So when you're done, just click on File. Make sure it's PNG so you'll have the transparency. And then click on Save. That is how you make clean and nice logo in just a few minutes with Photopea. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.